Hi everybody, welcome back to Dragon Eye Creations. If you're new here, my name is Laurel and I love to create. I love to create all kinds of things, mostly in the mythical and magical realm. That is my favorite. And what fits in nicely there is gnomes. I tend to create a lot of gnomes. I love my gnomes. And this one here today is just super easy. He is so cute. I just love this little mushroom guy. He is the easiest little gnome. If you've never made a gnome before, this is a great place to start. He's a little light up gnome, just super fun and colorful. Let's get started right now and I'll show you guys how you can make your own little mushroom light up gnome. Starting with a glass jar from Dollarama. And we're going to take some aluminum foil first of all, and we're just going to fold it a bunch of times and wrap it around a glass kitchen bowl. Any bowl you want, a fairly small one that'll fit nicely on our jar. And we're going to do that with a few more times with some more foil, just folding down the edges inside the bowl. Pressing it down quite firm, we want it to be as smooth as possible. Kind of rolling it if you need to. And then when we're done, we're just going to fold back our edges here. Just straighten them out. And then we'll just pop that bowl out of there and fold our edges back down. So we still have our bowl shape. We can shape it a little bit more the way we want so it looks more like a mushroom if we want. Smoothing it. And then we're just going to start wrapping it with some masking tape. I put it all around the edges just to make sure we don't have any sharp corners of aluminum foil. And then just continued on with the masking tape. We just want it to keep its shape here really good. And then this is actually a plush blanket from Walmart that I bought, but it's polka dot and I thought it would be perfect for this. So I'm just going to wrap that around my mushroom top here, just gluing it onto the edge. Again, you can fold down your edges onto the inside. And then we're going to take our glass bowl again and we're going to trace it onto this burlap material I have. This is like a printed burlap, works great for this. A little bit of polyfill inside our mushroom cap, not too much, just a little bit. And then we're just going to put our circle right on top of that, gluing it on. And then we'll take our cork from the top of our jar and we're just going to put that right in the middle of our burlap circle. And then we're going to take this wider, just plain burlap, and I'm going to wrap it around my glass jar. And we're just going to use some hot glue to attach this. Just a strip right down this edge here. Pressing it down firmly. And we're going to do a couple other stripes. Just roll your jar so you can kind of press as you go and get that burlap material nice and tight on there. And then the last glue strip we're going to put right on top of that burlap where we started. That way we can overlap it just a little bit. Again, just rolling it tight. And then we're going to cut off the excess there. And then we'll put some glue right at the top and just pleat it down all the way around at the top. And for our beard, I picked this rainbow. I just thought it was so fun. So I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and I'm just going to cut it, just the backing, not the fur itself, because we don't want to lose any of those strands. And I'm just going to cut off the bottom corners as well. So it's kind of a U shape. And then we'll put some hot glue right along the top and just attach that right to our glass jar. I'm just going to make a space there for a nose. I'm using a polymer clay nose that I've made before. You can use anything though. You can use a little ping pong ball or the wooden balls from Dollarama, whatever you like. To attach it, I just put a little E6000 in the middle and now a little bit of hot glue around the outside. And we're just going to press that right onto there and hold firmly. Grab some twinkle lights again just from Dollarama. We're just going to stuff that right into our glass jar and put our cork right back into our jar. And look at that, he is all done. So there we have it, just like that, he's all done. Super easy, super fun. He's sure to brighten up any space we put him in. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know in the comments below what you think. Would love to hear from you guys. And make sure to hit the subscribe button just to check back soon for more creations of all kinds. Love to all. Have yourselves a great week.